We are back, and you are watching the Diana and Ed show with our special guest tonight. I can't stop saying special because she's giving us some knowledge today, and she's doing some great things in the community. Before the break, I told you guys we're going to talk about a special event that we have coming up. I was going to let you talk about the whole event, but it's too exciting for me to just let you talk about it. But since you are a guest, go ahead.
Right. On Sunday, May 18th, we're sponsoring Toussaint Louverture High School for Arts and Social Justice is holding its second annual Flag Day celebration in the city of Delray Beach, and that will be held at Old School Square on Sunday, May 18th in Delray Beach at Old School Square.
Well, I mean, she's just telling you just the time and the day, but what about the people who's going to be there? I know Black parents is going to be there, right?
Right, that's right.
That's our headliner. So, first of all, let me ask, how can we get some tickets? How can people get some tickets?
People can buy tickets.
Where can they buy
They
tickets?
can buy tickets at our school and at numerous places by calling 279-1100.
Okay, what's the number again?
279-1100.
279-1100 is the number you need to know.
And that's 561.
Yeah, 561.
279-1100.
Suave Music is also going to be
That's
there.
Right.
Nirva Pierre is going to be there. Denny B. Alpha Boys. Those are all people that you guys know, so you can't afford to miss that event. I don't want to just stay on the entertainment. I know there's a lot more going on.
There's a lot more about this event that's really important to our community and that we want everyone to participate in. For one thing, we're featuring the youth of our community in their creative expression. Yeah. And this is something that Toussaint Louverture High School really embraces, is the arts for social justice. And this festival is just one manifestation of that. There'll be poetry, there'll be music, there'll be dramatic performance, there'll be marching, and there'll be dance performances by students from the high school, from neighboring high schools, from PBCC, from FAU, and from youth groups in the community, church youth groups as well as their parents and the adults. So in addition to professional entertainment, we have a great forum to really showcase our students and our youth, which is so important because, just like we were saying in the beginning of the show, when young people have the opportunity to contribute fully to their society, they're so much less likely to go fall between the cracks or become involved in negative activities such as crime. Yeah. And we talked about our computer theft, but on the other side of that, we have the great showcasing of talent by numerous young people and their families and their communities at large.
Absolutely. Well, people, we are live, so if you have any questions for Dr. ALLERDYCE, please call in and let her know what you are thinking. Especially, we talked about the high school, the event now. I can't get off of it yet because I think we need more information about it. What are some, is this, because we've heard of, May 18 activities. Right. And we've used to the Haitian Flag Day where everybody goes in every year and come back and be like, okay, what was that about flag? Or what was that about, the Haitian community? I want to talk about that. Let's get this caller. Caller, you are on the air with Ed and Diana. Well, Ed and Diane today is what I'll say. So, what's on your mind?
I have a question for Dr. Allen.
Okay.
Well, not just a question. Of course, I have a compliment for you too. That
you're breaking up. Can you say that again?
So I want to compliment Dr. ALLERDYCE for her efforts to help the community. That's very involved, both in Haiti and here.
Absolutely.
At Toussaint Louverture. I don't think we have anybody like her in the community who's not really from the country.
Yeah.
I want to ask her that I know she has a project going on right now in Haiti, and how much involved is she going? Because I know that for a school. How much involved are you going to? Are you going to go back and forth?
Yes.
And
yes. Yes, thank you, first of all, because I feel that the opportunity to be involved in transcultural and transnational opportunities to increase social justice in the world is the most enriching activity that I have encountered. And yes, I absolutely intend to go back to Haiti many times in the future, and actually would like to live in Haiti for part of the year in the very near future. I believe, as an educator who has been so enriched by the opportunity to work with a people that are creative and resilient and intelligent and artistic and so strong, that as a person who has had that opportunity, I have an obligation, and that also it's an honor and a very important activity for me to spend time in what I consider our sister, our neighbor in the Caribbean, to increase educational opportunities, especially because that's my field.
Let me say, there's also something that our callers can do, and
yes,
give
absolutely.
some information about how they can
That's
contact
right.
you.
In addition to calling the school for tickets for Haitian Flag Day, I really encourage the public to contribute on a regular basis to our school feeding program for schools in Haiti. And we are establishing a separate fund through the school, that's to St. Louverture High School for Arts and Social Justice, and any contribution of any size can be made by calling and setting up your account with that feeding program, and that is by calling 561-279-1100. And we have top-notch fiscal management whereby we will definitely maintain absolute integrity with those contributions, whereby they will go directly to schools in Haiti, and they will go directly to the feeding program, so that those children who are being educated right now can do so without being hungry, so that they can be nourished. And we know the studies show that children learn better, everybody learns better, not on an empty stomach, on a full stomach.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I wouldn't do a great job at the show if I wasn't full.
Right.
I eat a lot of rice. Miss Lee, anything else you'd like to add?
Well, just to end, I just would like to tell her that it's a privilege to have her work with the community, to help us to have more access to a lot of things, and to help out, those who are hungry. And also, we think that we're doing a wonderful, wonderful job, and we're very happy.
All right, Ms. Lane, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And we'll talk to you later. All right, people, here's what I'm going to say. We appreciate you calling, and somebody asked on the chat, can you repeat the time and place, please, for the event?
The 18 May celebration. Yes, it will be on the 18th of May at Old School Square in Delray Beach, and it will be from noon until 10 o'clock at night, possibly 11. I think officially it's 10 o'clock at night.
So we're going to be on island time.
We're going to be on island time, definitely.
All right, so we have a few minutes left with Dr. ALLERDYCE here. So please, you can continue to call in or chat with us live. We are live, en direct, c'est Jean nous dit là, right? So with the event, like I was talking about earlier, we used to May 18 event that's not really what we really want it to be, because you talk about Flag Day. For us as a people, this means a lot to us. What are some of the different activities you're going to have? Is that something that gives towards the families and for the kids? So what are some of the activities?
For everybody. We're going to have a kiddie area. There's going to be...
So I can go in the bounce house?
You can probably go in the bounce house and bounce around, and we're going to be bouncing around ideas as well.
There you go.
And we're going to be giving a social justice award. We're not announcing the recipient yet, but we give a social justice award. Last year, we gave this award. We also give a Distinguished Service Award to a leader in the community who has really contributed to the development of Haitian-American relations and social justice in Delray Beach and Palm Beach County, as well as South Florida.
All right. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take a quick break. When we come back, we'll finish with Dr. ALLERDYCE. Don't worry. We'll be back. Don't be mad. I see you guys here. We'll be back. We'll give you more info. And actually, our tickets, we'll just pick somebody and give it to them. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. All right?